The Republican Party's varied and evolving ideas on how to address climate change were front and center Wednesday night at the first Republican presidential debate. Still at issue, however, is just how much Republican leaders accept the overwhelming scientific consensus around global warming. Following an audience question on climate change, Fox News moderator Martha MacCallum asked for a show of hands on who among the candidates believed in human-induced climate change. Only former Arkansas Governor Asa Hutchinson began to raise his hand before the candidates shifted gears into a debate. Former UN Ambassador Nikki Haley, South Carolina Sen, Tim Scott, and political newcomer Vivek Ramaswamy responded to the climate question, though the majority of the Republican candidates have previously acknowledged the reality of climate change. That the question was broached at all was seen by some young conservatives as evidence of progress. Alexander Diaz of the Young America's Foundation, a conservative youth group, was featured as the only audience question. Polls consistently show that young people's number one issue is climate change. How will you, as both President of the United States and leader of the Republican Party, calm their fears that the Republican Party doesn't care about climate change?